Hi friends, this is being the user's screen at WordPress installation. That means this screen shows all the registered users information. If you are allowing to register anyone at your WordPress website for any purpose, maybe for posting blogs or maybe for making some purchases, all the registered users can be seen here. But have you ever thought all your registered users are genuine? You might be happy to see the great number of users at your website. But in my experience, I have seen that the most of users are coming from spam registration or unauthenticated registration. You might be facing the same issue at your website. You might be wondering why you are not getting the number of conversions at your website in respect of number of users registered at your website. This can be a reason. You might be getting a spam user registration or unauthenticated unwanted user registration, and you might be looking for a solution to get rid of this trouble. I am having a very simple solution, and that I am going to show you in this video to how to eradicate the problem of unauthenticated, unwanted or spam user registration at your WordPress website. This is being the topic, and this can be done through a simple plugin that is available free at WordPress interface. We are going to discuss a very useful plugin that is called Powerful CM Email Registration Blacklist. The CM Email Registration Blacklist offers a great feature at your WordPress website that block unwanted users from registering to your WordPress site with custom defined blacklist and whitelist rules. And this works very fine, and it has got a great number of user ratings. The email blacklist plugins stop users on the blacklisted domains from registering to your WordPress site, stopping unwanted spammers, viruses and malware with one-click blacklisting. This is a great plugin, and I am going to show you simple features that is very effective, and it is going to solve your unwanted user registration trouble at your WordPress website. And this can be downloaded from this WordPress interface, and I'm going to add this link in the description of this video as well. I'm downloading this plugin first, and I will register. I'll install this plugin on a demo website. This is being the demo website, and let us see what features it is bringing at our website. Okay, so since I have already downloaded, I upload the plugins, and this is being the plugin, downloaded plugin. I am installing this plugin now, and let us activate this plugin to see what features it brings. Hooray! Your plugin is activated and ready to go. Register your software and get the following benefits. Get ongoing new feature updates. Okay, so we can register our website here, so it can be registered, and it is very simple. It can be done in a single click. So these are being the basic features. Screen, so it is offering some tabs in terms of features. So initial installation guide is plugin works. So go to plugin setting, add more, add domains and such settings. So we are going to see what is available here. Okay, so general settings is, so we can whitelist or free domain list enabled, and these are the basic settings that offers. So when whitelist is enabled, domains on whitelist will not be blocked. So we can whitelist certain domains and number of domains. So this is Free domain list is another great feature that offers number of already whitelisted domains, and if it is enabled, so this is being the free domain list, and if it is enabled, domains on the free domain list will be blocked, and it is a list containing all domains that provide free emails. That also includes gmail.com and other popular services. So you can block all the free domain lists from here, and it is enabled by default. You can disable if it is not required to you. User email blacklist. This is being a very important feature, that if any certain user is registering at your website and making some spam, you can disable or enable as you need. So when enabled, the email on the blacklist will be marked as invalid. So it is very important. Restriction settings. Email validation is checked before domain validation. So this is being the general setting. User email blacklist. So it is a very simple and effective way to stop any user from registering at your website. You should use full specific email address, that is email@domain.com. So in the free version you can only add single emails one at a time. Since we are using free version, so only one user can be added at a time. So let us see abc@certain-domain.com, and it can be added. Okay, so user updated, and one user has been added here. So you can see this email address has been blacklisted. Certainly the domain list. Similarly, you can stop a complete domain from, you might be getting certain registration from a particular domain. I have seen in my one of the website that I am getting registration from a domain called unipin.com or something like that, and I was getting multiple user registration from that particular domain only, and no other users are being registered, and that particular I used to get multiple registration in a single day from that particular domain. So that can be restricted from this screen. Let us see this unipin, or so if we want to blacklist or whitelist, so it is whitelist. In fact, only domains appearing, I'm so sorry. So this is the screen for whitelisting a particular domain. So we can whitelist a particular domain. Let us see. So if we want to allow the registration from gmail.com, we can simply add to gmail.com here, because if we enable, just remember it, if we enable this general setting from domain list and this free domain list is enabled, so even Gmail will be stopped. So take due care while enabling or disabling these features. So we can whitelist particular domain from restricting from registration. So only domains appearing in the list will be permitted to register. So it is very important. If you want to restrict rest of the world and even whole world from registering at your website, and you want to allow any particular domain only, so you can allow here, but I will advise not to use this feature because it may restrict your registration number of. So you can wisely use the blacklist feature, and if required you can even use the domain whitelist feature. So you have to add all the domain name from which you want to allow the user registration here. Okay, and free domains. This is being the main feature that I actually appreciate. So free domain list. This list is updated from Spam Assassin, and if you wish to whitelist domain listed in the free domain list, you can either add them to the whitelist or disable free domain check in the general setting. So from if I mean in the general setting, if free domain list is enabled, and you will not get any registration from these domains. These are 2388 2388 domains which has been already included in this list, and even you can update your domain list. So just simply click on this tab and you can add any new domain to this list. And okay, so it might not be allowing. Let's see. So this is being the free version, and we have already free domain list here, and we can even any particular domain from here to whitelist. If we just in case if we add this domain to the whitelist, it will be allowed. So by default it is restricted. And okay, so update domain list, free domain list. So we cannot update this domain list because it is being a free version. So labels, let's see. For login panel, registered, so we can throw some message, domain is blacklisted or email is blacklisted, like this. So registered error or register error or something like that. We can change the language of the restriction. Domain tester. So type a domain to check the result for this. If just in case, so I was saying I'm getting a spam registration from this domain, so I can check here unipen.com, and the result from domain is type a domain and check what is the result for it. Check. So if just in case if you want to check where the domain is restricted or not, so it can be checked here, and this is being the upgrade tab. So this is a simple solution. I have shown you all the options that is available in the free option. So this is a simple method, but you have to use this wisely. This plugin offers a simple solution through which you can actually restrict the unwanted users from registering at your website, and especially if you are running an e-commerce website, since WooCommerce offer a direct registration while the checkout. So this can be a big problem for the website owners who are offering direct registration. I mean where registration is allowed directly, where all users can register really, like anyone can register is enabled on their website. Mostly it happens on the WooCommerce website. So it can be a big trouble if you are getting spam users or unwanted registration. So this is being the plugin through which you can resolve this problem. So I believe I have given you enough information about this plugin, that is CM email registration blacklist. So you can also install this plugin to restrict users, unwanted users, from registering at your website, and I believe this plugin is actually going to help you. If you are having any question, don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of this video. Thanks for watching. Keep building.